wondering if we have to go spend some time abroad or something like that. Is the place that we're going to stay at connected to our behavior? For example, I mean, if we are modest people and so on, and if we go spend some time abroad, we would expect not to be in a modest place, right? Or to end up in a place where we have to, I don't know, guard our eyes thoroughly. So I was thinking, if we are people that behave in a good manner, so to speak, I mean, in regards to modesty and so on, what happens if all of a sudden we're forced to go and stay at a place where it's the complete opposite? Like, is this because something we did? Is this like a punishment or something like that? Or are there, like, I don't know, I was thinking some sparks that have to be lifted there or something like it. I was thinking, so what would be the thing here? How can we understand this?
So, but okay, so you're saying if person was forced to go somewhere, hopefully we're not going to be in this situation. But even if person forced to go to another place, so we try to seclude, like to have like even in the most modest place, person has no choice. Let's say, so we try to minimize this in interaction as much as possible. We do whatever we can. Okay, so as I said, if it's in my modest place, and it's summer and it's hot and this and that, humid, so try to like not to go unnecessarily outside. You understand? Not trying not to look at the window like somebody honking something. So, right, so don't do that. So like is it possible that it's a punishment? It's possible that is a test. It's not a punishment. About the sparks, I mean that's a good thing about the sparks. Most likely they're going to extinguish our torch. We're not going to make sparks. Like people, you know, understand? Even like sparks, it's just being there. Maybe if somebody needs to see you, they're going to see you. If they're destined to see you, and they're going to like interact. So, but we don't go outside and try to make sparkles. We don't do that. Like we first of all, when we came here, we're responsible for ourselves, then the whole world. Okay, so if you're in the place, you're forced, you try to minimize your interaction, so because you're responsible. You're not going to responsible for all of the not the lost sparks. Okay. They had many opportunities, especially in our generation where they have internet. Understand?
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
So there's not like some sort of affinity that the person has with the place itself, like because I'm thinking a few years ago I had to go spend like 3 months I would say it's the filthiest place in the world. Like it's a neighborhood near the Fort Lauderdale area. It's called Wilton Manors. It's filth upon filth. It's filled with homosexuals.
So why do you want to go there? So don't go.
No, I had to go for some issues that I was dealing with, and some relative had like a property there, and I had to spend like 3 months there. It was like hell. It was horrible. So I thought, okay, I mean, there's some connection that I have with this place whatsoever. Like, what's going on here? Why? I mean, Hashem could have put me anywhere else, but He put me like in the core of the filth of this place. Like, I was thinking, why? Why am I spending like 3 months here? I mean, so that was the thing about this place.
So I guess even like if, of course, as I said, if you minimize your interaction with outside world, it's maybe not like at least you get something.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.